Welcome, family. So today we went by the store and we got these 4 new chips for y'all. They got no artificial flavors and no dye. And Miss Taste Test is gonna show y'all what we got.
Oh Lord, y'all, we got some brand new Doritos chip, y'all. We got the Simply NKD Nachos cheese, y'all. And we got the Doritos NKD Cool Ranch, y'all. And we got the Cheetos ANKD, the Flamin' Hot Crunchy, y'all. And we also got the Cheetos Simply NKD Puff. So y'all, we're finna open these bad boys over here. And we're gonna see how they taste. All these is brand new from Doritos.
From Doritos.
Here you go, y'all. Up.
How do you taste
Goddamn, that's good. Not so cheesy. Oh, man.
Oh my god.
Up. Here you go, y'all. Mmm.
Mmm.
Look at that cool ranch. They taste good. Oh, y'all. Uh-oh. These a little small, small put there. Wow, they still damn good though. They good though. This is a small put there. Man. God damn y'all. But guess what, you two? They might be small. But they got some fat to it though. They so flaming hot, y'all. That's good.
All right, subscribe, comment, like, and share, and hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. And we love ya.